Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to find out what kind of storage drive your Windows computer is having. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So before proceeding, let me make you clear that most of the computer device has the storage drive, namely HDD and SSD. So HDD stands as the hard disk drive, which has a moving mechanical part like the disk plates, which is commonly seen in the older computers. But most of the newer computers or the laptops, they comes with the SSD, which is known as the solid state drive, which is quite faster in performance and has no mechanical part. And if you want to know more about this HDD and SSD, then you can Google and search by yourself. So without any further more delay, let's jump directly to the topic. So to find out, what you need to do is, now you need to click on the start menu, and under the start menu you need to search for one file name as defragmentation and optimized drives. You need to search this file. So once you search, just click on it, and here you can see the type of the storage drive that your computer is having. Is, you can see here, my computer is having a HDD, that is the hard disk drive. So if you're having the SSD, that is the solid state drive, then it will show you the solid state drive. So right now in my computer I'm having the right hard disk drive, that is the HDD drive. So you can make a confirmations if you don't know what kind of storage drive your computer or laptop is having. So in this way you can find out very easily what type of storage drive your Windows computer is having. So try it out by yourself, and I'm sure it will help you in some day. And it's very useful to know or find out what kind of storage drives your Windows computer or laptop is having. Sometimes what happens when your computer gone bad, then you are in the need of new storage drive, and you want to order from directly from online, or want to order from the offline too. So you're confused what kind of storage drive you're having. So in this way you can find out what kind of storage drive your Windows computer or laptop is using. So if you find this video information useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.